Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vindeka Savitri. I will present of my Kambi Coffee business plan. Let's begin. Coffee is one of the leading plantation subsector in Indonesia, and based on statistical data in 2012, the production value reached 657,000 tons per year. The development of the coffee trade is currently transforming into a coffee or coffee shop. Along with the proliferation of coffee shop entrepreneurs are required to make strategies by creating unique coffee shop attributes and offering to interest consumers. So, the Kambi Coffee Shop was created. The shop is inspired by the German classic car manufacturer Volkswagen, which is famous for its size and unique model, make it suitable as a coffee shop. The innovation provided by Kambi Coffee is not only fixed on the place, but also coffee as the main ingredient also use high-quality coffee beans, considering that coffee in Indonesia has also been tested for quality standard based on the Indonesia Coffee Exporter Association or AIKI and certified from the ICO, International Coffee Organization. Then the coffee chosen is Arabica coffee. This Arabica coffee will give off a distinctive taste such as sweet and caramel flavor when brewed. Kambi coffee is safe for those on a diet as well as for diabetics because this coffee uses low-calorie brown sugar so that the sugar content is lower. Another innovation from Kambi Coffee is the packaging. Considering the increasing amount of garbage in this country, the backdrop for this coffee innovation is the packaging that uses ready-to-drink size bags for one brew. Then, what is the difference with coffee that has been circulating in the market? Yes, this coffee bag is made from seaweed extract which will dissolve if the coffee is brewed and safe to drink. That way, when we brew coffee, we contribute to reducing garbage in this country. The packaging also uses materials that are easily biodegradable and in one bag will contain 10 pieces of low-sugar coffee bags, so we will reduce 10 coffee packaging bags in 10 brewing times. Now this coffee bag has the good taste because the sugar and coffee has been measured in the right amount. For millennial generation, they want practical things such as brewing coffee without requiring the consumer to add sugar and stir it. For that, this coffee bag is the solution because to enjoy it, you don't need to measure the amount of sugar and coffee. Just add one bag of coffee bag and brew it with hot water. That coffee is ready to be enjoyed. Now this coffee bag can be enjoyed directly at Kambi Coffee Shop or takeaway. Interestingly, this low sugar coffee bag can be purchased without brewing. For coffee consumer fears that if they drink coffee they will leave coffee ground, this breakthrough innovation of low sugar coffee bag will not leave coffee ground. The coffee and the bag will dissolve and can be enjoyed with one stick. Now with all this innovation great, coffee lover at the Kambi Coffee Shop will be spoiled with unique and healthy coffee drink. It is unique because this coffee is the only coffee bag whose pot is made of soluble seaweed, and is healthy because the sugar used is corn sugar which has so many benefits. And then business environment analysis, we have strength. First, Kambi Coffee has a strategic point of sale where the Kambi Coffee shop will sell to crowded place. 2. Kambi Coffee has a sales and ordering system to the Kambi Coffee application. And 3. Kambi Coffee spoil the eyes of customers who come to Kambi Coffee with the classic feel of a Kambi car. Then we have witnessed that the tools for making coffee are still manual and not automatic. And 2. Lack of public information about the Kambi coffee shop. We have opportunities that first, public interest in coffee is increasing. 2. The concept of selling coffee with the feel of classical is still rare. And 3. There are still few businesses in similar field that also provide application. Then we have threat. First, many new competitors with more unique innovation. Now, then we have financial analysis. Return of investment ROI for 5 years is 4%, and then break-even point or BEP occurs after 3 or 5 years. Then total profit after 5 years is 1 billion. For the total outcome for 5 years, which is 472 million, well, the total income is 1.5 billion. I think that's enough for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.